lot of comments on the last video, the previous video I uploaded on how to fix the Wi-Fi or how to get your missing Wi-Fi back. Click on my computer, then click on device. Click on manage. You can see my computer management is out. Then click on device manager. Then scroll down to your Wi-Fi. Just in case you didn't see your network adapter, if you did see, that means it's a hardware issue, which we'll be talking about this hardware issue and how to fix it on the next video. But if you see your network adapter on your device management, that means it's not a hardware issue, it's the drivers or maybe something missing on the computer, which is making the Wi-Fi always go missing. So click on your drivers, update your whole drivers. When you update your whole drivers, restart your PC. And if this step did not work for you, after restarting your PC, you didn't see your Wi-Fi back, uninstall the whole drivers and wait for the next video. See you guys. One love, man.